So we are in the product section of the WordPress. So we have here a list of paintings, painting products, which are we have ACF fields for this, which are gallery price, gallery availability, which we can choose into. So we can show this on Elementor as product name or um, a category, right? But what if I want to show this paintings as ACF field only? For example, I wanted to show the paintings in um, the paintings on Mark's art only. So how do I do that? I don't want to show this paintings like Broadmoor or Mary Warner. I just want to show the Mark's art painting. So what I wanted to do with this is to first go to um your ACF field, which is I'm using ACF field right here. So it's gallery, which is what's the field type is selection because it's a drop down, right? And then I have choices in there. So for example, I'm gonna choose Mark's art, right? And then I'm gonna use JetEngine. So I'm gonna go to JetEngine here, and then I'll say query builder because we're going to build a query. So after this, we're gonna connect this query builder to our field group. So I want to say add new. And then we will say this as name of the query that will show in the admin menu. So I wanted to show Mark's art because that was the name of the gallery that I wanted to show. The description, we can leave it as that. And then we're going to say post query. And then you're going to have here options. So we're going to go to the post type slug. You have here bunch of options, but I want to leave it as that is so I can retrieve any post type. So I wanted the post status to be published. So I want the selections that are published to be shown. And then I'm gonna leave this as this is. Okay. Yeah, we're going to use meta query. So you have here a meta query clauses. You have here the field name. If you have ACF field name, you should put this in here. But you can use any of these tags. But I'm not gonna use that because I want you to be precise. So here's the field name. We are here on the ACF. I have here field groups. So we're going to choose the gallery. And then you can see the field name here, gallery, right? I'm gonna say you copy this and then add this the field name here. It should be the same, don't change anything so that it will show as it is. So compare operator to test. I'm gonna say like, and then we have the value here. So I wanted to show the choices of Mark's art. So I'm gonna choose this Mark's art because if you remember in the products, I have bunch of options in here, but I wanted to show the Mark's art only. So I'm going to add that on the query builder, the value. So what's the type? It's gonna be chart. And then you can leave the rest as it is and say add query. As you can see, I have already added the Mark's art post query. So I'm gonna test this to a site, Elementor to be precise. So I have here an Elementor. If you could use anything, but I'm using Elementor Builder. And then I'm gonna say grid here on search widget, listing grid. Okay, because it won't show anything because we don't select. we still don't select anything. So I created listing earlier, which are it will show in here painting products. Yeah, because that's what my listing is. So I'm gonna say this will be, yeah, 3. Host number will be nothing. Um, I don't want to touch any of these things. On custom query, I will toggle the button here, and then the the query builder that we used earlier, the marks, it should show in here. Here's it, right? The marks art. Okay. So I think there's things in here now. So I'm gonna hit save for this one because I don't want to publish it first. And then we have to preview the team changes. So you can see there it is.